Hey guys, it's John with Chemex of Northern Illinois, and today I'm going to teach you how to kill COVID-19 in 10 minutes. That's right, you heard me, 10 minutes. Today we are showcasing the all-new MitM Mister. This unit is something brand new, and it's going to help you combat COVID-19. Let me show you and all the features that come with the MitM, and I'm going to give you a demonstration of exactly how you can kill COVID-19 in 10 minutes. In this particular setup, this happens to be a custom cart that we put together. It does not come from the factory like this. If you were to order a standalone combo mister, you would get the actual machine. You're going to get a mini nozzle sprayer with the mister. You're going to get a 75-foot non-marking high-pressure hose. And you're also, so if you have any high spots that you need to get to, we're going to also include this 36-inch lance. So if you need to get anywhere high, you'll be able to reach it easily. Everything is quick disconnect, so it's easy on, easy off. This particular model we have set up here is able to have two people sanitizing an area at the same time, or whatever the facility is that you're cleaning. Buses, restaurants, offices, you can have two people doing it at the same time. I went ahead and I already pre-mixed my germicide, but we do offer the germicide as well. And to give you an idea, in this 5-gallon bucket, and this is all included with all the plumbing, this is how we put it together, you're only mixing 3 ounces of the actual germicide into 5 gallons of cold water. So if you do the math, that comes out to be 1 to 213, which means you can get 214 gallons of ready-to-use germicide. And this unit sprays approximately 3 gallons per hour. That's right, 3 gallons per hour. So a 5-gallon bucket is going to allow you to cover a lot of area. I happen to be doing a demonstration here in a community salon, and I'm going to go through and I'm going to show you how easy it is to use this setup with this germicide. Couple things to note. The germicide, in order for it to work properly, and this is an EPA approved germicide, it must dwell for 10 minutes on the surface. So I'm going to walk through the salon and I'm going to spray, but the great thing is, guys, you don't have to wipe it down. You spray it, walk away. It does not leave any residual film behind. You can spray your doors, glass tables, desks, everything and anything. If you have a kitchen or a cafeteria within your office, you can spray all the countertops, all the tables and all the chairs. You don't have to wipe it. And you're not going to have any issues because the product is also safe to be used in food contact areas. So let's go ahead. Let me show you how easy it is to use this. It is 110, 115 volt. So if you look over here, I already have plugged it in, but this is how easy it is. Plug it in, hit the reset button, come back to your unit, and turn on the bollard. That's basically it. And for demonstration purposes today, I am going to have safety glasses on, and I do have gloves. I do recommend, or we do recommend, to also have a mask. But for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to leave the mask off so you can hear me, so I'm not muzzled. Okay? So I do recommend that. Again, power on. Okay? I have both levers on, which now activates both guns. And I'm using the mini guns today, okay, with the Mister nozzle. This is how easy it is to do this. You spray, and as you can see, that's a pretty nice mist coming out. You spray all the surface, you spray it, and as you can see, it leaves just enough of a mist because you want it to remain wet. And after 10 minutes, it kills COVID-19. Okay? It's really easy. If you want, you can even spray the mirrors. You can spray the countertops. Everything. Okay? I'm going to switch guns and we're going to walk through the salon. And this is all it takes. I mean, if you were doing this as a business, you probably can do this whole salon in less than a half hour. You can spray everything. It doesn't stain. There's no wiping required. And as long as the surface remains wet for 10 minutes, it kills COVID-19. That's how simple it is. Door handles, any area that you're touching, customers are touching, there's constant contact, that's the areas you want to spray. And that's how easy it is. Just mist it. And just keep walking. You could do that. You could spray all the counters, chairs. That's it. And as you can see again, it puts out a pretty nice mist. Again, it's about 350 psi. It's shooting about 3 gallons per hour. So you're going to be able to cover a lot of area. And again, the mixture that I used was only 3 ounces per 5 gallons of water. Goes a long way. Okay? And that's how easy it is. Come over here. That's it. So I'm randomly going through, we're going to end up doing this whole salon for them. But if you want to find out more information and you want one of our representatives to call you to answer your questions so you can have the right equipment and the right germicide to kill COVID-19 in 10 minutes, I want you to text COVID-19, COVID, 19 to 484848. Again, COVID-19 to 484848. And it would help us tremendously if you would smash that like button. Thumbs up. If you want to give us a thumbs down, we're good with that. Share this with anybody you know in the healthcare industry, schools, buses, restaurants, salons. Basically, everybody and anybody is going to need to do this to keep their facilities safe and take the fear away so we can get everything back to normal. Again, this is John with Chemex of Northern Illinois. I really appreciate you watching this video. I look forward to talking to you or one of my members from my team. We will reach out to you as soon as we get your information. And again, text COVID-19 to 484848. I thank you again. Be safe. Be well. We will talk soon.